What up, gents? We're on the Horseman channel today, and we have a little treat. Got a Ford Lightning. What year is this, Jacob?
An 02.
02? 02 Ford Lightning. I like these trucks. Real nice. They have the 5.4 in them. They are supercharged. They sound really nice. You know, here at the dealership, we always get all kinds of cool treats, so it's fun to have these things roll in. This is actually owned by the technician that works here. His name is Jacob. Cool dude. So got some weird noise going on in the back now. That is really cool. All right, Jacob, want to tell us what's done to this thing?
Well, it's got a 6-pound lower pulley on it, cold air intake, Canton intercooler tank. I just replaced the intercooler pump, and it's got a bigger heat exchanger. Don't remember what brand it was, but other than that, it's stock blower, stock motor.
Anyways, so sorry about that. You said a lower?
Yeah, it's
lower
got a 6-pound lower pulley on it. Cold air intake. Has aftermarket electric fans on it.
Very cool.
For the most part, that's pretty much it. Other than that, stock training, stock rear end.
Nice. She get up and go pretty good?
For the most part. There's a few things I need to sort out. One thing being the plugs. But I'm going to have to wait on them for now.
Very cool. How long do you have this bad boy?
June of this year, I think. Or June of 18.
Oh, nice.
So,
very cool.
not too long, but
it's a sweet ride, guys. Sweet ride. Any plans for it?
In the future, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know. It'll be a while, but it's at some point it's definitely going to get built, and bigger blower and everything. But
heck yeah.
That'll have to wait. Mach 1's got to come first.
Yeah, Mach 1?
Yeah.
Yep. Very cool. Well, very cool, man. Guys, as always, please like, subscribe, tell us, you know, leave in the comments what you liked about all this. We can go from there. But tell us what's in your stables, because things like this, Ford Lightning here, is in this Ford dealership stable right now. So you guys have a great day, and see you in the next video.